Do you have a pregnant woman in your life? I certainly do. This is Belly Butter by Earth Mama. And if you're a man like me, you'll make sure that Mama is always happy. So, this stuff is for growing bellies. It is rich, moisturizing lotion to help ease skin and stretch marks. So, what I do, I use this stuff, get about 2 pumps, go over to the belly because it's growing so much. This is probably also if you're gaining a lot of weight and you don't want stretch marks. I would use this too. Um, but the easiest way to do it is just have someone else just kind of wax on, wax off. Make sure to heat up your hands first because it's cold. You want to be courteous. There's all the stuff that's inside of it. We got this off Amazon. Someone gifted it to us. But yeah, it's really good. It smells awesome. It has, let's see, what's in there that would make it smell good? Like shea. It's kind of orangey smelling. Citrus. Yeah, sweet orange. Yeah, that's what it smells like the most. But this brand is apparently really good. We've got another thing that's made by them. Oh, it's like a tea. Yeah, but it's pretty good, and we've used it quite a bit. I hope if you have something that you use, leave a comment below, and I'd love to hear what you have to say. Cool. See you later.